Hey guys, this is Satya here. Welcome back to Healthy Recipes. Today's recipe is a healthy and tasty mixed sprout salad. You can have this salad as a main meal when on a diet. Into a pan, add 1 cup of water, and when it starts boiling, add in the mixed sprouts. Let it boil on high flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame and let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the excess water and let it cool completely. Take a bowl and add in 1 cup of mixed sprouts, half a cup of chopped cucumber, half a cup of pomegranates, half a cup of shredded coconut. Give it all a good mix. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped amla, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder, around 2 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt. Give it all a good mix. You can garnish it with some coriander leaves and roasted sesame seeds. If you like this video, do give it a like and subscribe to Healthy Recipes. Thanks for watching.